Welcome to episode 3, day 5. How we feed 20 pregnant sows. Like we told you on our previous video, that we will be telling you what we feed our pigs, our pregnant pigs at this stage. This determines everything because through their feeding, you will know what the outcome is going to look like. Today, we are talking about one thing that can determine everything on this farm, and that is feeding. We had 20 pregnant sows, but right now, it's getting more. I think it's like 23, close to 25 pigs are pregnant at the moment. It has increased.
11.
What we feed these sows right now will automatically determine what happens on our farm next. This is Ugocentury pig farm, and on this channel we document real farming. And right now we are taking this step by step. No assumptions, no hypes, just real farming management. Now, why feeding is very critical? Why do I say that? It is quite simple. Because feeding is not just about giving food. Feeding is also about controlling the outcome. Controlling what you mix. What is your food mixture? What are you using to feed your pigs or your pregnant sows? Do they have the necessary vitamins that they need to have in their body as pregnant pigs? What is the percentage of protein which you are giving to them? Are you mixing lysine, for example, in their food? What about methionine? Are you giving them the right vitamin?
0.78.
What quantity, again, of corn are you putting? Because if you are going to add so many corn for pregnant pigs, that will not be good result for you. But that is not the topic for today, because at this stage of pregnancy, what the sow eats affects the piglets, the health of the sow, and the future performance of the farm. Quick one, let's look at the common mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes farmers make, which we don't want to do in our farm, is thinking more feed is better. This is not true. Overfeeding is a problem. Underfeeding is also a problem. Both can lead to poor results. So feeding must be balanced according to the sow's cage, which is body weight. On our farm, feeding is controlled. We focus on consistency, measurement, as well as observation. When it comes to feeding, we focus on consistency, measurement, and as well as observation when it really comes to feeding. Because feeding is not a guesswork. It works in hand with management. Let's talk about money. Because at the end of the day, farming is a business. If feeding is not controlled, feed cost increases, piglet quality reduces, and profit automatically drops. So feeding is directly connected to your profit in this big farming business. Now, dedication. Dedication is where discipline comes in.
0.13.
You cannot feed your pregnant sows based on emotion. You also cannot feed based on assumption. You must feed them based on system calculation, because small mistakes repeated every day becomes big losses. The big reality is this: a lot of people want to start pig farming. But they don't realize that success is hidden in a small daily action like feeding. This is what really separates serious farmers from casual farmers. So now that we are on day 5 on this episode, we understand, or we have understood, how important feeding is. Not just to feed, but there is another mistake that can as well destroy everything, even if feeding is correct, and that is poor management. In the next video, I will explain this mistake about poor management. So, if you are serious about pig farming in Nigeria, or you want to understand real farming systems, then subscribe to this channel, because we are documenting everything step by step. Also comment below, what do you think is more dangerous, overfeeding or underfeeding? This is Ugocentury. Thanks for watching, and see you again in our video in the next episode.